on. So I am just super flabbergasted to be a guest on your show.
Listen, I'm like going out of my mind right now. I'm like freaking out, you know, because
Why?
it's like because it's so cool, you know, and like seeing you is like amazing, you know, and it's like the whole thing is like, you know, it's like, do you know about astrology?
I know a little straw. I mean, I work in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. Those are just a bunch of big, pretentious words of where you may have to take many disciplines into consideration. So cross-disciplinary is where you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. So I may discuss music using physics only. You know, what is sound? What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. From a music perspective, that's a whole different dynamics, right? So
now I was about to ask you, what is physics? You know, because I don't remember taking that class.
Yeah.
What is physics for people that don't know what physics is?
Well, one aspect of physics is to study the fundamental nature of reality. You know, the underlying properties, the nature of matter,